Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw YouTube AdSense earnings to US bank step by step clearly.
Log into your Google AdSense account. On the home page, navigate to the Payments section on the left side menu.
Check your account balance to ensure you have reached the minimum payout threshold.
Locate and click on Manage Payment Methods. If you haven't added a bank account yet, click on Add a Payment Method. Fill in your US bank account details, including your account number and routing number. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid any delays.
Review the terms and conditions and agree to them to proceed. Once you have added the bank details, make sure to save the changes.
Return to the Payments section to verify that your bank account is listed as an available payment option.
Once confirmed, check the payment schedule for your earnings. AdSense typically processes payments once a month, provided you meet the payment threshold.
When payments are processed, the funds will be transferred to your US bank account. Monitor your bank account for the deposit. If you encounter any issues, refer to the AdSense Help Center for assistance. Following these steps will help ensure a smooth transaction of your YouTube AdSense earnings to your US bank account.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.